Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to connect mouse and use mouse on laptop. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first what you need to do is that here you can see this is the mouse, right? And on the mouse you are going to find this wire. See, so you want to connect is see how it is. Okay, the whole one should be on the upside. Okay, and let's connect it right now. So here on this side now you are going to find this option. You have to connect here. Okay, just connect it there. After connect it, here you can see the light of the mouse. Okay, so now you can use the mouse. You just move the mouse, and suppose I click this one, and if you want to listen the music you can listen. Okay, see, wait. Okay, here, see, I'll show you something. Okay, this one should be cut, and some video I'm going to play for you. Okay, so let's play it, the video. If you want to use, you can use it. See, here the video are playing, right? See, it's amazing. If you want to skip also you can. See, to use is to click this one. Okay, I used to click this one, the left side, this one. Okay, so let's cut now this one. Here, cancel it. And friends, if this video is nice for you, then please like the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.